So this is the part 2 of the search campaign, and when you finish with everything, you just save it, and then you get a review of your ad here, and also extensions, so you can actually add the actionable extensions, call out, promotion, price. So once everything is good, and adding things are actually or extension are really easy. So for example, if you add a price extension here, you can create new one. So choose the language, the type, header, the description, and it is optional. You can choose the currency here, the actual price, and also the final URL. So it will be a site link for pricing. So once you are ready, just go to the next level, which we have to set up. So let us go with the $10 per day. And we have many bit strategy. I will talk about all of them in a separate video in this course. But for now, I would like to go to maximus clicks. So for example, if you go to let us choose 10 centers for this one. There are the difference between them. So I will talk about each of them. So which one works best for you, you can then choose. So for now, let us go with the maximum CPC, cost per click. And we also have conversion. If you remember, we have created this one before, so we don't want to. But we also would like to choose, so you can choose actually, I don't like, but let us choose, for example, let us say that people in Australia are actually engaging with our content more than other countries. So we would like to 50% for Australia and 50% for all other countries. And for also for devices, so if you have people are on PCs are interacting with your ads, you can adjust the bit for them. We also have advanced options here, so the date and also which time of day you want to your ad to show. So just save it. And now it asks me to just add my payment because actually this is a dummy account and I don't want to add my credit card here, but we finished everything. So I hope you learned it a lot.